Hi everyone, thanks for joining us today. So we're doing a little geocaching session. Going to hope to find about 8 today. If we find more than that, that'll be awesome. We are going to head off at the end of this park and turn off up the hill and just around the countryside, so hope you enjoy it. And let's see what we can find. Go this way. Nope. This would suit your mum perfectly, because she loves to chat to people. Look at this very pretty stone we found. Well, Jasmine found. It's really cool, isn't it? I've got to tag in there. Looks like logbook. Yeah?
Definitely. Pretty.
So we found the first one of the day. First geocache done, and nice easy find. People said it was hard and complicated, but no, it was that easy. So we're off to find the second one, and we're going to walk all the way across these fields in a basically circle and back down the hill. So I'll show you. That's Eastwood in the background over there. So yeah, we're going to walk across the fields. Yeah, geocache number 2. It was a tricky one, guys, but we got it. It's in that bush. To show you, that's Eastwood and the church. And I'll pan it round and show you that's the old pit tip, and in the distance right over there, that's Derbyshire, the hills of the beginning of Derbyshire proper, as I call it. Matlock's over there. Fourth one. I didn't film the third one just because of where we were. That's the fourth one found. Successful so far, everyone's been found. Interesting building, looks like an old farmhouse. And then next to it's old stables. So I wonder if it was some sort of farm back in the day. It must have been. Must have been pretty cool. It's on a big busy main road. And we've just done another cache, but can't get the location. It's too easy for someone to find. I found the next one. This took a bit of finding. Should have been easy, but it was actually a bit harder than we thought. But we got it. And on to the next one. That's the cache. Bolt. Done. The geocache, and I'll show you these final scenes from around this area. Hello. Just chilling out. Just relaxing. Hi everyone, so that ends this short upload today. We walked back down to the park at Colliers Wood and then back to the car. And in total we did 10 geocaches in that short space of time. So yeah, very productive and a great little walk out with the daughter and the wife. So thank you very much for watching. Please remember to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you're in the area, why don't you pop and visit Colliers Wood? It's a nice little place, small car park that's free. And yeah, bring your kids here and have a little walk around the park. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now. Please remember to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel.